Hello friends. Today I am here to share about World Humanitarian Day. World Humanitarian Day is celebrated every year on August 19th. World Humanitarian Day is celebrated to commemorate the humanitarian workers and those humanitarians who lost their lives in the course of work. This day also honors all the healthcare workers who provide life-saving support to the needy in difficult times. Now let's get to know about the importance of celebrating this World Humanitarian Day, the little history behind this day, and also about the celebration of World Humanitarian Day. Now let's get started. Now let's get to know about the importance of celebrating this World Humanitarian Day. And before moving on to that, let's get to know about what does a humanitarian do. A humanitarian engages actively in promoting social reforms and human welfare and holds no prejudice with human suffering on grounds of religion, sexual orientation, gender, or territory. Importance of World Humanitarian Day includes about celebrating unsung heroes. Humanitarian aid workers are some of the most heroic and honorable people alive, putting themselves in harm's way by traveling to conflict zones and disaster areas to help alleviate the suffering of strangers. It highlights the need for humanitarian work. Every year, millions of people need humanitarian assistance as a result of disasters, both natural and man-made. World Humanitarian Day reminds us of the increasing need for humanitarian workers who can give selflessly of their time. This day is an international event. A big part of World Humanitarian Day is drawing importance to the need for international cooperation on humanitarian issues. Humanitarian aid workers might be helping people in their home countries, or they might be dispatched to help those in need elsewhere. International cooperation is essential to maintaining the safety of humanitarian aid workers while enabling them to help those who suffer. Now let's get to know about the little history behind this World Humanitarian Day. Now moving on to the little history behind this World Humanitarian Day. World Humanitarian Day recognizes the efforts of aid workers who put their lives on the line to help affected people during times of global crisis. World Humanitarian Day was founded by United Nations General Assembly in remembrance of the death of 22 UN aid workers including Sergio Vieira Melo in a bombing of the United Nations Baghdad headquarters in 2003. Sergio was born and raised in Brazil and worked day and night for 3 decades to aid victims of armed conflict by bringing them relief and making sure their plight was heard globally. He also worked tirelessly to assemble the track for the appointment of World Humanitarian Day. In a way, Sergio tried to bring a more humanitarian approach to viewing wars, focusing on the innocent human lives who struggled to survive and were caught in conflicts they had no desire to be a part of. It was in 2009 the United Nations General Assembly officially initiated the first World Humanitarian Day. Now, moving on to the celebration of this World Humanitarian Day. So how do you observe this World Humanitarian Day? Donate to a humanitarian organization. There are humanitarian organizations all over the world in need of resources. Search online for organizations doing humanitarian work or go directly to the UN's World Humanitarian Day website for resources to get you started. If you are able to donate your time to one of these organizations, that's wonderful. Do some humanitarian work in your community. Being a humanitarian doesn't have to mean traveling to a war zone. The point of humanitarian aid is to alleviate people's suffering and maintain human dignity. Try volunteering at a homeless shelter, a nursing home, a hospital, or a place that serves underprivileged child. So I hope you enjoyed knowing about this World Humanitarian Day, the importance of celebrating this World Humanitarian Day, along with the history and celebration of World Humanitarian Day. So thank you all for watching. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.
Thank you.